To make fresh lemonade for a pop-up drink stand, mix fresh squeezed lemon juice, sugar, and cold water in a ratio of about 1 part lemon juice, 1 part simple syrup, and 4 parts water. Then chill it well before serving. Here's the part most people skip that actually changes everything, and that is using a simple syrup instead of raw sugar. Raw sugar granules do not dissolve well in cold water, so your lemonade ends up gritty at the bottom of the pitcher. A simple syrup is just equal parts sugar and hot water stirred together until it turns clear, and once it cools down, it blends into cold lemonade instantly with zero grit. For every gallon of lemonade, you want around 1.5 cups of lemon juice, which is roughly 8 to 10 lemons, and about 1.5 cups of simple syrup. Then fill the rest with cold water and ice. A trick almost nobody talks about is rolling your lemons on the counter with some pressure before cutting them, since this breaks down the internal membranes and can get you nearly 20% more juice out of each lemon. Always taste as you go and adjust because lemons vary a lot in sweetness depending on the season. One common mistake is making the lemonade too far ahead of time, since the fresh flavor starts fading after about 24 hours, so make it the same day or the night before at the earliest. Another issue is not accounting for ice melting into your batch, which waters down the flavor fast, so make your lemonade slightly stronger than you want and let the ice balance it out. People also forget to strain out the pulp and seeds, which can clog cups and straws, so always pour your juice through a fine strainer before mixing. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.